Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 653 named 2sum4. Input is a binary search tree. In this problem, we are given a root of a binary search tree and an integer k. Now we have to return true if there exist two elements in the binary search tree such that their sum is equal to k. Otherwise, we have to return false. Now, let's assume in the first example, the target is 9. So here we can see that the summation of 6 and 3 is equal to 9. So for this binary tree, we have to return true. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. In this problem, the algorithm is pretty simple. We have taken this example. The array has root 5, which has two children, 3 and 6, and 3 has two children, 2 and 4, and 6 has one children, which is 7. Now we will apply the in-order traversal, and the basic intuition is if we perform the in-order traversal into a binary search tree, the result will be always in the sorted order. So here, the basic algorithm of the in-order traversal is, for a tree, we will explore its left subtree. After that, we will store the value of the root. After that, we will explore the value of the right subtree. And this is how the in-order traversal works. Now let's see how this in-order traversal works into this scenario. Currently, our root is 5. So from 5, it has left children. So the call will be in its left subtree 3. Now for 3, it has a left children, which is 2. But 2 does not have any of the children, or we can say that both of the left and right children of 2 is null. So we have to store 2 into a vector. Now here from 2, the call will be into its parent 3. Now for this 3, its left subtree is explored. So we will store the value of the 3 here. Now from 3, the call will be in this 4. So we have to store 4 here. Now from 4, we have to trace back to its parent, and from 3, the call will be in this 5. So all of its left subtree is visited for the root 5. So the value of 5 will be stored here. Now for 5, we will go to node 6, and node 6 does not have any of the left children. So we will store the value of node 6 here, and from node 6, we will be in the node 7. So we will store the value node 7 here. Now from the 7, we will trace back to its parent, and from 6, we will trace back to its 5, and from 5, we will return. Now suppose we have to check whether we can find two integers. Suppose their sum is 9. So here, after finding the node value into a sorted order, we will apply the 2 pointers mechanism. Now here, we will take 2 pointers. One pointers I will be stored in the first index, and the second pointer j will be stored in the last index. Now here, we have to check whether their summation is equal to the target or not. Yes, their summation is equal to the target because 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So we have to simply return true. Otherwise, if their summation is greater than target, then we have to shift our j pointer. And if their summation is smaller than target, then we have to shift our I pointer. And by repetitively doing so, we have to check whether the ith value and the jth value and their summation is equal to the target or not. If it is, we have to simply return true. Otherwise, we have to simply return false. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named find target, which is a root and integer k. as a parameter. Now we are calling an in-order function into the root, and in the in-order function, if the root is null, we have to return. Otherwise, we have to call the in-order function into the left subtree. After that, we have to insert the root value and call the in-order function into the right subtree. Now, we have found this vector which holds all of the value in the sorted order. Now we are taking two pointers, I and j. I is pointing to the first element and j is pointing to the last element. Now we are running a loop while I is less than j. And here, vector of I plus vector of j will be equal to x. Now here, if the x is equal to k, we have to return true. Otherwise, if the value of x is greater than k, we have to decrement the j pointer. Otherwise, we have to increment the I pointer. Finally, we have to return false if we did not find any of the x which is equal to k. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.